We are back, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the prestigious 07012 zip code of Clifton, New Jersey, specifically our newest listing, 56 Ridgewood Road in Clifton, New Jersey. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and when I tell you every ounce of detail in this home, from the Calcutta quartz countertops to the hardwood floors, has been thought out, planned, and executed by my meticulous sellers. Added bonus, well, you're just gonna have to go check it out. This backyard oasis is sick. Bye. Oh, you guys caught me. This isn't quite ready yet, but for the right price, this whole studio space is gonna be yours. Stay tuned. $99, $110. All right, guys, for the right price, this gym is for you. But in the meantime, let's go check out this yard, get into this pool. This outside summer kitchen was built to perfection. Granite countertops, stone, fridge, wine cooler. We have this incredible grill, master quality grill. For now, I'm going to make my burgers. Enjoy the rest. I told you guys I saved the best for last. Listen, God forbid there's ever a zombie apocalypse or another pandemic, you're covered. You guys saw me work out, you guys saw me grill. Now, I'm gonna jump into this pool.